Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2007 Mercedes ml350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here. Also, the up and down button over here on the right hand side, and the R right in the middle right here. And go ahead and turn on your car to the first position. Okay, when you get here, go ahead and press the R button 3 times and 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna see the UB 11.6. And now go ahead and use the up and down on the left hand side. Okay, scroll up until you find service menu. Now go ahead and use the up and down on the right hand side. Scroll down to confirmation. Now you can use the menu button right here, okay, to enter on that. Now you're gonna have to use the up and down on the right hand side to scroll to, go ahead and full service. Go ahead and enter again with this button on the full service, as you can see. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.